Hello, setting up the LEHY-3 elevator hall call panel. First, use a screwdriver to remove the hall call panel. This is the damaged one we're replacing. Now, let's pop the new one in and test it out. Alright, it's installed. Give the button a press. The elevator didn't come to this floor. Looks like we'll need to reconfigure it. This elevator's call panel setup is a bit tricky. We actually need to go to the machine room and unplug the hall call plug first. Find the HS plug on the motherboard and unplug it. You don't need to put the elevator into inspection mode for this. Now head back to change the floor address setting on the new call panel. When the screen is blank, press the UP button twice quickly. Then hold it down on the third press for 3 seconds. The display will start flashing numbers. Since this is the second floor, set the address to 2. Wait a few seconds. The screen will go dark to save the setting. Finally, return to the machine room and re-plug the HS plug. And that's it. Setup complete. Let me know in the comments if anything's unclear.